Lawrence from Westside Sharpening and Cutlery Center in Santa Monica, and owner and maker of Rhino Custom Knives. We're going to talk about the most important maintenance tool for your culinary knives, which is referred to as a butcher's steel, a sharpening rod, also a honing steel. You want one that is smooth or one that is diamond coated or a ceramic are the three proper ones to use. The way I recommend for most people to do it is take a piece of cloth or a oven mitt or something to give you a little traction. I want you to start here at the heel and draw it towards you as you drop the knife down. Then come over to the opposite side, set up your angle again, and look for the separation between the knife and the steel to make sure you have the same angle. Once again, we're going to pull from the heel down to the tip as we drop. Somewhere approximately about halfway down here, you're going to be at a straight cross right there. So that's a good reference point right there. All you want to do is get 3 to 4 nice swipes here with a fairly consistent angle. And what you've done is you've realigned the edge and brought it back to true dead center. So this is how you use what's referred to as a butcher's steel, a sharpening rod, or more appropriately, a honing steel.